Hey friends, who's hungry? Golden brown, tender, and naturally sweet, these air fryer roasted carrots are a quick, healthy side that goes with just about any meal. In a large bowl, toss 1 pound of cut carrots with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Make sure every carrot is nicely coated with the oil and the seasonings. Next, preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the carrots in a single layer in the air fryer basket. You can do this in batches if needed. Air fry the carrots for 10 to 14 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until the carrots are tender and lightly caramelized. Serve warm with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and you're done. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.